Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough. But that's not the real problem. There are people earning less who still manage to save. And people earning more who are constantly running out of money. So what's the difference? It's not income. It's habits. And in this video, I'll show you 5 money mistakes that quietly keep you broke and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. A lot of people feel safe keeping all their money in cash or in a basic account. But here's the truth. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. Because every year, the cost of living goes up. That means your money buys less over time. Saving protects money. Investing grows money. You need both. Start small. Put your money into places where it can grow over time. The amount doesn't matter in the beginning. Consistency does. Mistake number 2. People spend easily on things that feel good in the moment, but hesitate to spend on learning how money actually works. And that's a problem. Because if you don't understand money, you'll always depend on guesswork, trends, or other people's opinions. Financial knowledge is one of the highest return investments you can make. Start simple. Learn the basics of saving and investing. Read or watch educational content like this. Focus on understanding, not shortcuts. Because once you understand money, you stop making expensive mistakes. Mistake number 3. Most people follow this pattern. Income comes in, bills, food shopping, subscriptions, random expenses. And then they say, "I'll save whatever is left." But here's the problem. There is never anything left. Saving last is the same as not saving at all. Your brain always spends what it sees. If money is sitting in your account, your lifestyle will adjust to use it. Pay yourself first. The moment your income comes in, move a portion into savings or investments. Automatically. Because discipline fails, but systems don't. Mistake number 4. You start earning more. And suddenly, you upgrade your lifestyle. Spend more on comfort. Add more expenses. Your income increases. But your savings don't. One person earns less but saves consistently. Another earns more but spends everything. The second person looks richer. But the first person is actually building wealth. Every time your income increases, increase your savings first, not your lifestyle. Make sure part of every raise goes into your future, not just your present. Mistake number 5. People say, "I'll start saving later. I'll invest when things feel right. I'll begin when I have more." But that perfect moment never comes. And while you wait, time keeps moving. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Not because you do more, but because time does more for you. Start now. Not perfectly, not massively. Just start. Because consistency over time beats waiting for the perfect moment. Here's the truth most people ignore. Building wealth isn't about earning more. It's about managing what you already have. Because money doesn't grow for people who wait. It grows for people who act early, stay consistent, and stay disciplined, even when it feels boring. Start small. Start now. And let time do the rest. If you found this valuable, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the Practical Wallet for more practical money lessons.